This is hard disk from the customer. Bring the hard disk WD20 PURZ. When we connect, it not spinning, and in MRT it shows no power. We have checked the connection here. I have shown already to put the red probe on there, and first we will start with the 12 watt. We will check the 12 watt first. It's not showing any value, no diode value, means 300 to 500 value, no values. Then go to next, it will be ground. Okay, ground. Then 5 watt to be shown 300 to 700 values, it is showing, means 5 watt is okay, and then 3 ground is there. So this is your 12 watt is open. I think 12 watt is not going inside, that's why it's not spinning. 5 watt is going inside, and short is there, and 3.3 will be there, and this it will show the ground. But main 12 watt we have to see. Maybe some problem in this PCB. We will open the PCB, then we will check it. Okay, now we will inspection this PCB. You can check the PCB is like here. This is your 3.3. It is not connected. 1 2 3 is 3.3, then ground, then 5 watt, then ground, and then this is 12 watt. So this is 12 watt. This 12 watt to be goes up to here. So see, it is coming to this resistor, 0 ohm resistors. Okay, so this is connectivity is okay, but this is 0 ohm resistor. It must be opposite side the value to be shown 00 buzzer. This resistor is not showing the value. Here you can check, it's showing the value. See, it's showing the value. So we can check here, it's showing the buzzer, means it is short, and here it is not showing any value, means this 0 ohm resistor is open. We will replace, then we will go further. We will check the diode also. Diode is not short, and this is also no short. So first we will replace this, then we go further. If any shorting, we can check any other thing is short or not. We can inspection all the PCB, all the PCB's component. If any nothing is burned or something short is not there, we have to check all this component. We already estimate that this 0 ohm resistor is open, so we will replace this, or we make a jumper. It will be work like this. Okay, okay. Now we will replace it. Okay, removing components from the scrap PCB. This is our donor PCB. From the scrap hard disk we have removed, and we will insert this PCB, this this resistor, 0 ohm resistor we will remove from the scrap. Now we will donor patient PCB. We will remove the donor patient PCB, corrupted resistor. We insert the OK resistor. This is 0 ohm resistor, that is a fuse. Okay, now we will check the continuity, it's coming or not, buzzer is going or not. Then we will check with the help of continuity. We will see the continuity is coming or not. Now it's showing value. Okay, this is 22 ohms, means it is 0 ohms, no problem. It's showing the buzzer value. Okay, now also it's showing the diode value. Now it's in one pin in ground and another pin here. So it may be shown some value 200, 300. It's showing the value 300, 500, means the value is coming. See, the value is coming, means it is now okay. First we will check with the help of MRT. Its PCB is now working or not, that we will check with the help of MRT. If we connect on port 2 in MRT, then we run MRT here. In port 2 we just power on, it's now busy, and after busy it has to become a DRD DSC after some time. We will wait for 5 to 10 seconds that DRD DSC to become, and we will check the PCB is shorting or not. heating is there or not, like that. Before that, this busy light is not on, no activity. Now you can see DRD DSC come, means my PCB is now okay. Now I will put this PCB on the hard disk. We'll put the screws, all the screw, then we will connect and recover the data. We give the power through the MRT and connect the SATA port direct to computer. We give the power to hard disk and then we wait till it starts spinning. We make a backup hard disk here, 5535, and this the customer hard disk comes here. We open the customer hard disk and we will copy all these folders step by step to our locations. So we will go step by step. We copy up to some folder. Now we just copy the folder like that. Okay, so this is the process how to recover the date. So we have make here folder and we paste here. Okay, so this is the process how to recover the PCB damage.